Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our chemistry assignment entitled The Application of Synthetic Polymers in Cosmetics. So now, as you can see on the screen, these are the dedicated group members for this video assignment. Did you guys know that a broad spectrum of natural, organic and synthetic polymers are used in a wide range of cosmetics and personal care products to serve a variety of functions, such as thickening, emulsifying, which keeping ingredients mixed together, creating protective films or barriers, and making product feel either drier or more moist. But first, let me explain to you on what is polymer. Polymer is a macromolecule that is made up of many small repeating units called monomer linked together by covalent bond. There are two classes of polymer, which is homopolymer that compose of the same monomer, and copolymer, which is composed of two different monomers. Next, there are two types of synthetic polymer, which is linear polymer, the monomers linked together in a straight chain, and cross-linked polymer, which is the polymer that contain branches that connect linear polymer chain. One of the polymers that have been widely used in cosmetic products is polydimethylsiloxane, or also known as dimethicone. This polymer comes from silicon. Silicon comes from silica, which is a natural compound present in sand, sandstone, granite, and quartz. Many cosmetics contain dimethicone. It alters the textures of the formula so that they have a silky, velvety feel. It is also odorless, colorless, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic, meaning it has low risk of blocking pores. There are many products that we use on our daily life that contain dimethicone, such as primer, cleanser, moisturizers, and shampoos.
Now, let's go deeper into application of dimethicone by classification, types, and method of preparation. Dimethicone is a hybrid inorganic homopolymer that comprises repeat units of dimethylsiloxane. The polymer consists of inorganic siloxane backbone that bears two methyl groups on each silicon atom. Dimethicone is a liquid mixture of methylated linear siloxane polymers with block end of trimethyl units. These polymers attach to each other in a straight long chain. Alternatively, dimethicone can be produced by the condensation polymerization method. This reaction is typically catalyzed by strong bases such as potassium silanoate, but it also can be catalyzed by strong bases. To obtain demand polymer, the polymerization reaction must be driven by heating and removal of water under vacuum conditions. As a product of condensation reaction in hydroxyl-terminated dimethicone, the resulting polymer must be encapped by the reaction with trimethyl reagent. Upon completion of the polymerization reaction to produce dimethicone, the catalysts are removed from the product by neutralization. This process is very critical to ensuring the stability of the final product.
Dimethicone is indeed beneficial to the community, academics, and environment. Now, let's take a look on its role in economics. One of the pros of using dimethicone in the context of academics is that it is cost-effective. Dimethicone is the most common and the least expensive silicone available on the market. This is because the silicone itself being unlimited resources to human beings and can be found easily. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica, silicone is the second most abundant element due to the fact that 25% of the Earth's crust is composed of silicon dioxide. Not to mention, skincare products with dimethicone are less expensive than those without it. For example, Posture Chia Seed Moisture Cream that is dimethicone-free costs $38, while Ceramide PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion from CeraVe only costs $17. This is due to the silicone alternative chia seed oil used in this product is a natural ingredient. Although it is natural, it still has the same function as dimethicone, which acts as an emollient. Another benefit would be it seals in moisture for hydrated skin. Due to its occlusive characteristics, it can seal in hydration and keep out external moisture and irritants by forming a water-resistant film on the skin. Subsequently, this forms a barrier on the skin that protects against transdermal water loss. Surely, this improves skin elasticity, hence rejuvenating skin so it looks and feels smooth and soft. To add, active ingredients can penetrate the skin more effectively when it is hydrated.
Next, moving on to the benefits of dimethicone to the environment. Dimethicone is safe to the environment because it is less risky to the aquatic system and no apparent acute toxicity to bentos. Then, it has no significant effects on soil. According to certain investigations, dimethicone disperses at low concentration in the minerals in the soil when it comes into contact with the soil as a component of the mud. The hydrolysis of the polymer is followed by biodegradation of the monomer to natural components, which are carbon dioxide and inorganic silicate, according to some laboratory investigation. Since dimethicone is a silicone, the usage of silicones in numerous outdoor applications due to their high temperature stability and resistance to UV and ozone exposure seems to be at odds with silicone's natural tendency to degrade. and this enables the dimethicone to make contact with the catalyst required to start the depolymerization process, which eventually results in its total breakdown into natural components. In comparison to plastics, silicone is safer to the environment because it is inert and only emits silica, carbon dioxide, and water vapor when burned in waste treatment facilities.
It may seem like there are a lot of advantages of using dimethicone, but it comes with a cost, as there is limitations to it. This is because dimethicone is not suitable for everyone, as it dries out skin. Although dimethicone helps manage oily shine, there is a chance that it could excessively absorb your natural oils and cause your skin to become overly dry. After using silicone-heavy foundation or primer, those with dry skin may discover that this can result in flaky skin. It can cause clogged pores, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. They are more prone to clogging. This buildup of dimethicone protective film layers is particularly damaging. Comedones develop over time as a result of these layers trapping debris and oil on your skin.
Finally, it can lead to breakout. Some people may feel their skin becoming dry and parched from clogged pores even if they are not blemish prone. Slower cell regeneration is another adverse result of this accumulation, which can disrupt the regulating mechanism. Dead cells that aren't being expelled could block pores and cause pimples or breakouts on their skin.
Dimethicone alternative. To cater towards customers' preferences, advancements in the usage of silicone or an alternative for the usage of dimethicone needs to be researched to improve formulation. A few suggestions are proposed to reduce, if not replace, the use of dimethicone. Number 1, lignin-based product, which is natural complex phenolic polymer to increase solar protection. The second is niosome nanoparticles to form carrier polymer. Why specifically lignin? Currently, there has been a shift in the cosmetic industry wherein most people prefer for lightweight products and to be able to use minimal products but with maximum benefits. This is due to the craze in Korean skincare products. Therefore, lignin has a few properties which has a potential to rival the heavy use of dimethicone in cosmetic products. The first being ultraviolet blocking. Attributed to the numerous functional groups, ketones, quinone structure, phenolic and chromophores, which absorb UV light in a wide range. Therefore, when you want to wear, you do not need to layer sunscreen on top of your product, as the product that you are wearing in itself already has UV blocking properties. Secondly, T-microbial and antioxidant activity. Phenolic nucleus and 3 carbon side chains give a resonance stabilized phenoxy radical. It is non-chemical and a cost-effective alternative for skin lightening products. It also acts as preservative to inhibit growth of bacteria, replacing chemical antioxidants. However, there is a main problem with lignin, wherein it lacks of information about lignin cytotoxicity in application that directly involves contact with human skin. There is also the potential health consequences from the absorption of lignin-based products. So the potential solution to this is we can encapsulate the ultraviolet filters, which in this case is the lignin, into microcapsules. This will help increase photostability of filters and also overcome epidermal penetration and promotes UV absorption ability, as well as avoids cytotoxicity towards human skin.
To conclude, dimethicone is proven to be gentle, effective moisturizing ingredient for both face and body. Although there is still some limitation of the usage of dimethicone, it is still one of the important and beneficial ingredients to include in cosmetics products. All in all, dimethicone can give a lot of benefits in many aspects in cosmetics. That is all from us. Thank you.